Hello all, just a couple of a little quick video on how to draw basic circuit diagrams for a couple of DC motors. I'm going to concentrate on shunt and series DC motors just to show you how the diagrams are formed for these two particular motors. So let's look first at the DC series motor, and you'll need to start off by drawing first of all a DC supply. You can kind of do it like that if you wanted to. If you wanted to label it positive, negative as well, if you wanted to, I would also more than welcome. But the two basic components of a DC motor are, of course, the field winding, which you might draw something like that. Might want to label it as well. Excuse the scrappy writing, but it's quite difficult to draw on a trackpad. And also that you would have an armature that you might want to draw something like that. No, it's not a Christmas decoration, it's an armature. So series, the motors are classified by the way that the two components are joined together, connected up. So in the case of a series DC motor, the field winding and then the armature are connected together in series like this. Now naturally, when you do your drawings, you'll be using a nice sharp pencil and a ruler to make sure your lines are nice and straight. But this is basically all you need to do. If it's a series motor, and if that's what you're being required to draw, then that's how you do it. Let's now move on to what's called a shunt motor. I'm going to start with the basic components again. DC supply, something like this. Follow along, boys and girls. Again, we have another field winding, which will look like that, and then the armature, the spinning part, something like that. Now then, shunt. Another word for shunt is parallel, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. So if you by chance happen to be asked to draw a basic circuit diagram for a shunt DC motor, you would wire both these components in parallel, because another word for parallel is shunt. Kind of something like that. Don't forget to label the parts. You can do it like that. If you wanted to put DC supply here, all well and good. But that's it for this video. Remember, series motors in series, a shunt motor is in parallel. Catch you soon.